Hi, this is Melissa Gutierrez with Century 21 Award. I'm here at my listing, 2255 Bird's Nest Lane in the city of Chula Vista. This corner unit offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,300 square feet, and a 1-car attached garage. What's cool about this property is that the seller's already painted and there's brand new carpet, so it's move-in ready. If you have any questions about this home or any other homes, please give me a call or send me a message. Thank you so much and welcome to your next home.